Early years of teenager, I'd say I was quite a nuisance. A lot of detentions, a lot of getting sent out at the start of school because it just wasn't something I was enjoying. Homework was an absolute myth. Yeah, I was a bit mouthy, had a lot to say, sometimes a bit too much to say. Didn't really know what I was going to do, didn't have much of a direction. I feel I had the qualities and the things I needed, but what was missing was, of course, that direction, going somewhere. My best advice that I'd give to people who are in similar positions to myself is speak to people, definitely. My mentor helped me to start realising qualities that I had within myself and start enhancing and actually nurturing them. I have a lot to say, and I've started to learn how to say it. So going from kind of blurting out ideas and blurting out opinions into articulating and tailoring it to an audience or to whoever it is I'm speaking to. My grades started coming up a lot more from then, where I started seeing like a clear pathway and started realising my own qualities. So I'm currently at university studying evolutionary anthropology, and I'm hoping to do a law conversion afterwards. So the future's looking quite bright, to say the least. Just got to keep on that straight path, keep my head down. Yeah.